Hi, today I will discuss scarier integration by parts. So integration by parts that are more complex than the usual problems. And for this, we will look at one such example, which is the integration of, integration of e to the power of x sine x. Okay. And so scary, like these harder questions usually come when you have when you're on LIPET over here, and if you're in the exponentials and trigonometrics together, because these are really similar. When you have these two together, it's usually when there's the more complex problems. So here we can say here doesn't really matter, because really, even though it's LIPET, exponentials and trigs have really equal preference. This is just a more catchier way of saying it. So we can just say that this is u and this is v prime, right? Or no, let's say this is u and this is v prime, because I don't want to integrate this and get a minus. Okay, so then when we plug this into our formula, we get uv, which is ex sine x minus integral of u prime v. So u prime is cos x and v is ex dx. And why is this a more complex question? It's because you can't really integrate this. You have to use integration by parts on this as well, which is really sad. Yeah, so now we have to do integration by parts again, and we get first we write this down, of course, because this stays, but then we also have we have to do this thing all over again. So we say again, this is v prime, this is u, and then what happens next is that we do the thing again. We get ex sine x, no, ex cos x, ex cos x, ex cos x, and then because there's a minus sign, this becomes plus over here, because minus cancels out, and and then you get a minus sine x ex dx. All right, that looks good right now. So right now we have this. So let's just move the minus. Let's move the minus right out here. Okay, so now if you notice, this part and this part is the same thing. So you know what we can do? We can do something cool. We can just move this over here, and we can say that this is equal. We can say that we can say that 2 integral of ex sine x dx is equal to ex sine x minus ex cos x, and then we can divide this by 2, and there you have it. Suddenly you have ended up with the answer. So this is what you do for some of these more complex integrals. You have to integrate by parts at least one more time, sometimes even twice or thrice, and before you can do this little switcheroo and end up with your final answer. Okay, thanks.